Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I have an awesome topic to share with you, how to use AIPRM for ChatGPT for your business. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this extension, how you can make use of it, set it up for yourself, and start using it for your emails, for your blog posts, for your YouTube script, for your YouTube titles and description. For your ebook, to generate ebook that you can upload on Amazon and make your money. You can make use of this through this extension to get those things done for yourself. And one good thing about this is that you can use it with ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version. You can use it with ChatGPT 4, which is the pro version. And also, the extension is completely free. You are not paying for anything. So for you to get access to this extension, you have to head over to this Chrome extension store, which is a chromewebstore.google.com. You are going to head over to this website. Once you head over to this website, you are going to search for this extension there. Go to search bar and click on it. Select and paste this extension. Then search for this extension. You can see it here. Then you are going to see this add to Chrome. You are going to see this add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. It's going to add to your browser. The moment you add to your browser, it's going to redirect you to ChatGPT. For example, if you are new to this, it's going to pop up asking you to register. You can register, just register. It's absolutely free for you to enjoy more benefit. Register for free. And once you register for free, it's going to appear like this, and you're going to see your account over here. You see, you're going to see your own account over here. So you can access your account there. So in this place, you are going to start for what you are looking for. For example, there's over 4,700 plus of prompt on this platform. We have your blog post aspect. We have the Midjourney prompt generator. If you want to generate a picture on Midjourney, you can make use of this prompt here. And search your keyword. It's going to do that for you. For example, let's make use of this prompt here. Let's pick up this. Then go back to this. Click. It's going to give us a prompt for this. You see it. This is the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So it gave us four prompts for you to make use of on your Midjourney account. So all you have to do is for you to choose the one that is okay for you. You can also twist it a little bit to match your need. In fact, you can twist it a little bit to match your need. Then you can choose it, or you can decide to search for email. Let's say you want to write an email. You can go to search bar. There is the search bar there. Go to search bar, type email. Going to come up with a lot of prompts. There's over 100 plus for email. Let's say the first one. Then select the email that I want to write. Let's say, for example, you want to promote this extension for your user, for your email subscriber. For example, let's say you are the owner of this extension. I want to promote it to your email subscriber. I can easily use this to write the email. Click on this prompt. Then put your product name or service name and hit enter. It's going to give you a versional email for you to send to your email subscribers. So the moment you put this your service or your product that you want to generate emails for, it's going to give you this email, the subject, the body, and also the greeting side of it. So you see how good this email is. If you pause the video, you can read the email. You can take a look at how it sounds, and you even go ahead to give you what the AIPRM for ChatGPT brings to the table, like the features. It gives you all those things, and also it's going to give you a call to action. It's a visit the website now to explore how AIPRM for ChatGPT can transform your conversation and supercharge your communication strategy. So it gives you that some kind of interesting call to action. Also give you an option for you to add your name, your company details, your contact information, your website, and all that. So these are the things that are going to enjoy using this prompt based extension. So basically, go ahead. Let's say you want to generate an ebook. You can search for ebook there. It's going to give you all the prompts that have to do with the ebooks. Like for example, if you search for ebook, scroll down. Is going to give you can generate ebook outline here. You can also generate 100% unique ebook here, 8 chapters there. I can also generate one-click ebook. Like we can generate a full ebook without looking for outlines and all that. Just give it what the title that I want to give you. We are writing on, like the title that you want to write on. Just give it to this ChatGPT is going to produce that for you. The another thing again is you can get a YouTube video script using this extension here. You can get your YouTube video script, paste your YouTube video keyword here. It's going to come up a YouTube video script. Another thing again is we have generated a high converted video Facebook ad copy. Like I said before, you can use that to generate a Facebook ad copy. Just select that prompt, then provide a detailed audience or your campaign goals, and also your more details about your product or your services. Just provide that for this extension. It is going to produce a very good high converting Facebook ad copy for you. So that is it. So if you are the one who wants to make use of this extension and you don't know how to do it, it's very easy. Check the description below to get the name. It's called AIPRM for ChatGPT. You can check the description below to get the name, and also visit this website, chromewebstore.google.com. Visit this website, start for the extension here, then install it. Or I will drop this link in the description below so that you don't need to search for it. You can easily visit the link and add it to your extension. So that is it for this video. If you enjoy it and you have a little bit of contribution to make or suggestion to make, or if you have a topic that you're so interested on, or something that wants to learn and wants me to talk about it or share my own ideas, you can comment that you can drop that in the comment section below. On our next video, I'm going to talk about it. And also, if you are new to our channel and you like our video and want to know more of other services or other how to make use of other tools on the internet, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you find value. You can start to share this video with your friends on social media for those who are looking for tools like this. Thank you once again. I'll see you in our next video.